and this is Sam, and today on Invent with Mikky we're going to make Vietnamese coffee using our homegrown coffee beans. Let's go!
Let's go!
Woo! You want the deep purple ones.
Deep purple, red. Good ones are at the top. We don't know how to get that.
Oh, baby, let me talk. Jumping jacks! Squash jump! Arabica coffee bean tree.
Ah.
So the first step is to pick out the hard bean from the fruit. So we're going to squeeze them. And as they're quite ripe, they're nice and soft, so it's easy to take out the flesh.
This one, no. Oh, that one had three. This one, maybe. Okay. Now I'm gonna just turn on the stove and keep it on high, and now I'll put the pan on top, and then we're gonna.
Okay, you hold it and I'll push them in.
I hope you washed your hands.
Yeah, no.
Oh, there's an animal.
Animal, where?
There's a winter grub.
Oh, there's little worms on it. There's all these worms in them.
Are you going to have worms in your coffee?
No! Oh no, yeah, it's the beans.
Let's, they're maggots.
Oh, are they actually? Oh, no, get the maggots out. I see some others.
Yeah, because that's a bit rotten.
Maggots. Here, there, in the middle. Oh.
Jumping beans. Put your hands. Now we're going to separate the burnt beans from the outside to the caramelized ones in the inside. Take off the burnt shell from the outside.
Very sticky job.
You've got no nails, that's your problem.
Coffee beans.
Coffee beans.
There we go, that's all of them.
Now it's time to crush the burnt beans. And we're going to do it lightly just to get the burnt shell off. And the burnt shell comes off. Sam, can you get us that thing inspected in?
It's gonna give it off.
We're nearly there. Let it roast, let it roast. Gonna make our coffee soon. Let it roast, let it roast. We're finally finished. Here I stand, shaking the pan. Let the coffee roast. Getting brown and blacker every minute now. Oh, I can hear it whistling. No, our precious coffee.
That's enough.
Woo. Whoa, you can see it dripping through. That's so cool. Look at him. And add the condensed milk.
Whoa.
Give it a tiny stir. That's enough.
Okay.
And let's drink our iced coffee. Cheers. It's very fruity coffee. Do you like it, Sam?
It's a bit strong. Now
Do you want some, Dad?
Cameraman, I'm gonna have some.
It's a bit fruity. It's okay.
Let it roast, let it roast. Gonna make our coffee soon. Let it roast, let it roast. We're finally finished. Here I stand, shaking the pan. Let the coffee roast. Getting brown and blacker every minute now.